Okay, so it looks like we are live again. Okay, there we go. And let me just try to do things. Okay, I think now it's good. And I think we are live in here. Okay, I didn't knew that we can go live on on this YouTube as well. Usually I go live on Facebook only. But this is a good thing that we can go live in here as well. The lighting is not the perfect in here, but we can adjust. Okay, that is good. And I think there are some settings that I need to play around, so don't mind me. This is just a test that I'm doing, that whether I can go live from my mobile app, because going from mobile live from mobile app is a good thing, because the YouTube guys have optimized a lot of things and you can see live without any buffering in good quality. This is nice. I like it. Okay, so where can I read the comments in case people are posting comment? Where can I read them? Okay, so there are comments there. Hi, hello, hi, everybody. There are a lot of people. Anonymous, Pranav. Hey, everybody, how are you doing? I think this is a good way of answering your questions, going live and talking to you guys. And Vikas says, hey, sir, you are my inspiration. Thank you so much. I love it. And I think a lot of you watched the last night video that we gone there. Okay, this is nice. I like it. I like it. But I need to rotate the device, I think so. Can you see me properly? Let me know in the comment section if you can see me properly there. And is screen rotation good there? Let me know. This is my first time there. Okay. Yes, rotate the device. I think they don't support the landscape things. How is it now? Is it okay now? Okay. Video is vertical. Okay. Now is it good? Let me know. You are the only guys who I can watch. Yes, it is good. Okay, so I think they do not support the landscape mode yet, but hey, this is good. Okay, this is good. Okay, a lot of questions are coming. Hey, hold down, hold down. I need to answer a few of them. I cannot see myself. The screen is full of questions. Let's try to answer a few things. Anil Kumar says, how is the career in Android development? It's awesome. In fact, I'm about to release almost 10 or 12 apps in the Android store. It's awesome. In case you don't know about that, you can now learn Android without Java as well. You can only switch on to everything with JavaScript as well, which is far more easier than Java. And go focus on JavaScript, and very soon you will be able to put Android apps, native Android apps, using that. Okay. And you can put your question. I'm trying to answer a lot of you. Sir, make video about JS. I do have a full-fledged course on JS, but I'll put a few videos on JavaScript on YouTube as well. Don't you worry, I'm here to talk about programming. Okay. Hold on, guys. And people, how was the career in testing? Testing is good, but make sure that you focus on automation of the testing as well. Manual testing is not gonna last you longer with that. So in case you are looking for the testing things, you can switch on to Selenium or penetration testing. These are good things. How future of iOS developer? iOS developers are always gonna rock. So my views about iOS developer, it's awesome thing and it's going to rock even more in the future. It's so much controlled environment, and usually people don't like controlled environment, but one of the reason why iOS is rocking is because of the controlled environment. Okay, this is something crazy. This is far more interactive and better than my Facebook lives. I'm really happy about it that YouTube has finally launched it. I can talk to you guys directly going live there. This is awesome. Okay. Uh, Videos on Android making. Yep. That's are gonna come up soon, but I have some travel plans in the next one, and that is why things are going a little bit slow. But one more announcement. Hey guys, announcement. That I'm traveling in the next month, and I think everybody should stay active and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, because I'll be going live from a lot of places in the world. So I'm on to a little bit of kind of a world tour, and you are all going to enjoy this. Okay. So a lot of people, sir, my 12th is over, what can I do? I have interest in hacking is kind of a advanced programming. Focus a lot on programming, you will become awesome hacker. Okay, so hackers needs to be programmer. It's not like you can become a hacker without programming. You need to learn programming. Focus on that quite a lot. Okay, so sub bro, Okay, remember me? Yep, I remember you pen testing with Spirit. You were thinking to change the name. I think, go ahead. Some other name would be awesome. How is career in game development? What kind of game developer you want to become? 2D, 3D with Unity, with any kind of game engine, or just mobile games? It depends on that. And again, on top of that, how much collaboration you're doing with the games. Okay, somehow the comments gone. I'm not able to read them. Okay, my hand is now tiring. I need to grab something. Maybe I should order something from Amazon so that I can hold this device like that and I can talk to you guys. Okay, well said. We need to learn programming first, and yes, I will change my name to PWSec. PWSec is a cool name. I think you should do that. PWSec is awesome, actually. Okay, I learned BSCIT or CS. I don't know what that BSCIT acronym is for. I'm not very good in acronyms. Daily Tech says, remember me. Yes, I remember you from the email guy. Which one is great, iOS or Android development? Do you want to really start a war in here for Android and iOS? Is that it? Don't do that. It's not a good question. Android or iOS, both are awesome. It depends what you want to do, where your audience lies in. So don't start a war on Mac, on Windows, or iOS or Android. Don't do that. It's not a good thing. Okay. And there is a super chat option as well. I think the testing went really, really awesome, and I would like to test out that how the things are going on. Best mic for Canon 80D for YouTube, Blue Yeti or something else. Okay, let me show you. Can you see this? This is the guy I use. I have two Blue Yeti mics. This one is, you might have seen that in video, and I think no other mic can match up the Blue Yeti. Let me show you. I have a couple of other mics as well. I don't use them regularly. There is one guy, you might have seen this, Rode. I don't check it out regularly. It's not an awesome mic. But still, I do have a couple of other mics as well. I want my audio and video quality to be super awesome. I would say go for Blue Yeti. A little bit costly, a little bit expensive, but it's worth it. Okay. Bachelor in... Okay. Comments are just going ups and downs. I want to become coder, so how to start? Okay, where that goes? Means while initial step I should take. Okay, where is it going? Laptop, MacBook, or Windows. If you want to go for iOS development, you have got a budget, then for sure I would say uh, go for Mac. If you don't have a budget, Windows laptop works really fine. You can do everything on that. No problem with that. Sir, how can I start my YouTube channel? Create an account on YouTube, and there you go. You have got your YouTube channel. But really, YouTube channel really depends what kind of thing you want to serve to people. What is your content? Like, if I'll make entertainment videos, joke videos, that's not gonna work for me. If I'll make programming videos, people expect me to write code. People expect me to talk about laptops. People expect me to talk about programming language or Mac or Windows. So that's what my channel is about. Make sure you figure it out what kind of channel you are going to have, and you can have it. Okay, your course is very helpful for me. Thank you so much. Where that comment goes out. Okay, comments are just growing out. I am a college dropout student and have good command on web development. And should I start iOS development because iOS is my favorite? If that's a favorite, there is no other way that you need to look out. If you like iOS, get started with that. That's all about it. And I hope you don't mind if I turn on my air conditioner. It's hot. It's hot. Okay. I think it's awesome. Okay, there's a lot of things going on. I don't know where the comments are going on. It is very interactive, and I promise you one thing, all of you, that I'll be doing a lot of live going on there because this is one good way of interacting with you guys. Okay, what do you think about material design and Android development? Mayuri, honestly, I'm not a big fan of material design. I like the material design colors, by the way. The flat colors I always use in for all of my clients' app and everywhere. They all like it. But material design in itself needs a little bit work, especially the forms. You can see when you design a form in material design, it's just a flat lines, and it's not the best UX and UI practices because user is little bit confused whether I should put my email, there is a form there or not. So I'm not a big fan of material design. It needs a little bit work according to me again. Okay, guys, hold on there. I cannot see any comment there. It just scrolls down with a lot of comments. Okay, can we create user interface with C++? Coding Bravo, I would call this a very, very bad idea. You can even create websites in C++. Do you know that? But will I be creating a design in C++? No, not at all. It's not a good idea. There are things specially designed for something, and you should always pick up that. For example, for designing purposes, just only for designing, there is a Photoshop and Sketch. But if I'll do that designing in, let's just say, HTML and CSS in the initial phase, that won't be a good idea. So all I'm saying in here is there is always a special tool designed to do the things. Okay, so make sure you go ahead with that. So Tricknology Hub says, which app you are using? I'm using Facebook. Which app is this? YouTube app. I'm using just a YouTube app. That's all. YouTube gave me just a notification that you can go live from your app, and I thought it's a good idea to just test it out. I didn't expect it this much of the user to show up, and there we go. And I've done your course on Udemy, and that was cool and helped me so much. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that the course served you really well. And is iPhone is necessary for iOS development? No, it's not necessary. You should have an iPhone. It's not necessary, but Mac devices you should have. The only thing that I would like to say you, Prateek, is when you have an iPhone, all I'm saying is you should have a little bit experience with iPhone so that you can see what are views, how the settings look like, how the icons look like in the native iPhone app, how things goes on. All I'm saying is you should be aware of the things that are there in the iOS. You don't need an iPhone. Okay. PHP or Node, which I should go for? I would say go for Node. I think JavaScript is rocking much more. But if your work is more over WordPress related, then go for PHP. But if you don't like to go into WordPress, Node is the next thing. Okay. A lot of questions are coming up. A lot of questions. Which video editor you use? Okay, the video editor. I like to go with Final Cut Pro, and I'll tell you the reason as well why I'm going with the Final Cut Pro for editing all of my videos. First of all, color correction and coloring everything. You want to do a color correction or color saturation, anything is easy in Final Cut Pro. Again, one solid reason why I chose Final Cut Pro over Premiere is once you pay the Final Cut Pro $300 and that's it, you don't have to worry about anything. But if you go for Adobe Premiere Pro, it's a monthly payment that you have to go on. So that was one of the main reason I chose Final Cut Pro to edit all of my videos. Okay, a lot of comment. Okay, I don't know what the going on, sir. How to improve logic? I'm very poor in it. Logic is something that you need to spend time with it. I would say spend almost a year or 2 years with designing the logics and everything, and eventually it will go on. Samir asked which mic you use. Right now, I'm using my phone mic directly. It's no any other mic, but I use Blue Yeti, I use Rode mic, and sometime some lapel mic as well. I like the shotgun mics. They are pretty cool, but most of the time I like to use my Blue Yeti. Okay, just now my phone is ringing. Okay, I got a phone there, and I need to turn off this. I need to go. There is some work I have to do, finish up. But definitely, I'll catch you guys. This live is really awesome. I'll catch you later on. I have some urgent work. I'm really sorry for that. I have to leave now, and I'll surely catch you up later someday.